What is up, everybody on YouTube? It's Roberto here with another MJ Monday, and MJ Monday today is going to be on the Jordan 14 Toros. Now, if you guys have seen other Toro models, it's a traditional black and red, mainly all red. But real quick, guys, before we unbox this, go check out my Instagram at Roberto. I think you guys will like all the sneaker photos that I post and all the outfit photos that I post as well. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing now. So real quick, I'm just gonna show you the box before I give you guys some more detail. Here's the top of the Jordan 14 box right here. I've actually never owned a pair. Now, right here on the box is the tag, and you can get all the information that you need: the color, the style code, price point. The price point was actually $190 with tax here in Washington is about $206, and this actually did release July 2nd. So let's actually open these up. As far as resale, you can look at a good $50 more than retail. I will be honest, I never liked this shoe before, but as I've gotten older, it has grown on me. These panels, I don't know if this is technically suede, but it's like a nubuck, I guess you could say. It feels really, really nice. This on the front, on the toe box, it's like an actual suede. This is more nubuck, this is more suede, I guess you could say. And then your midsoles right here kind of come up. That's actually kind of cool detailing, white, and then it has black transitions all the way to the back, where it does curve up with a little bit of red accents up to that big 23 and the Jumpman logo. Personally, I don't think I'd cop, but I do like them. You flip it to the other side, you're gonna get the same thing. Let's actually look out the outsole. Now right there on the outsole, you can see you have your Jumpman right here, and then Roman numerals, you have 14. You're gonna have black running around the whole outsole, followed with a little bit of white patches in between. Looks like this has pretty good tread on it. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but this little spot right here is actually like a little net. Helps you breathe, so it's actually really nice for your feet because these are technically basketball shoes. On the toe box itself, like I said, it's going to be suede and it's going to have a Jumpman embroidered right there. Good detailing. You keep going up and then you're going to get Jordan right here and a mesh tongue. This is actually like a thick mesh. It's pretty breathable. I can feel it. And then you're going to have the Jordan right there and red writing. As far as some extra detail on the inside of the tongue, it's going to be the same thing in Roman numerals. It's going to be right there in 14, and then your size tags right there. Now, because this shoe is actually a size 12.5, I can't put it on feet. So that's really going to end this video, guys. I want it to be a very quick, simple review and just show you guys the overlook of the shoe itself. I did forget to mention you do have the shield right here, the Jumpman logo in the inside, similar to the Jordan 13 hologram. It must be that trend they were doing back in the day. But overall, I do like this shoe, and I would recommend it to anybody who likes it as well. From what I've been told, go your true size. And real quick before we end this video, guys, like I said before, follow my Instagram at Roberto if you guys want to see some dope streetwear and sneaker content. I do post there every other day, guys, and I also do post on this YouTube channel Monday and Thursdays, which brings me to my next topic. Subscribe here if you guys are brand new. I would love to have you guys here, and if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want a different colorway or if you just don't like the 14s. Let's have a discussion about it. But that is it, guys. I'm gonna go, so stay fresh and stay fly. I'm out.